So students, let's continue next part of chapter A Letter to God. So we have already read that Lancho was a poor farmer whose crops were really destroyed, and he didn't have any hope now. He was thinking that he and his family would die due to hunger because the hailstones destroyed his crops completely. So let's read what happened then. But in the hearts of all who lived in that solitary house, solitary means which is alone. In the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. So, as he was living alone, there was nobody around him who could help him. There was still something, there was still a help, and the help was from God. Means maybe there was no one to help Lancho, but still he had a hope from God. Don't be so upset. Even though this seems like a total loss, remember no one dies of hunger. At first, Lancho was really sad. He thought he and his family would face hunger this year. But later on, he says, no one dies of hunger. It is said that if God has given a kind of birth to us, if God has sent us on this earth, then it is the, we can say, responsibility of God only to provide us food in any way. So Lancho was also thinking that he would not face hunger, he would not die of hunger. That's what they say, no one dies of hunger. All through the night, Lancho thought only of his one hope, that was the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed, see everything, even what is in deep conscience. So, conscious means the inner sense, what is going on in between in our mind or in our, we can say, heart, what we feel, that is called conscience. So, he says that God watches everything, God sees everything, God knows each and everything what is happening on the earth, and maybe God will help him. Lancho was an ox of a man. Ox of a man means very hardworking man. But still he knew how to write. The following day, and at the out daybreak means early morning, he began to write a letter which he himself would carry to the town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. So next day, what did he write? What did he do? He went to the post office and there he wrote a letter to God.